Hello and welcome to another episode of Travelchef, and today we are going to make some onion pickles. This is a simple recipe that we are going to make. This recipe has only just 2 to 3 ingredients. One is onions, some beetroot, vinegar, and voila, you got a pickle. So come on along with us and we'll show you how to make this quick and easy pickle. To make an onion pickle, we have taken small onions which we have peeled, and then we need to make a slit onto it. Now we are slitting the onions. We place a cross slit. Now we have completed cross slitting the onions. Next we take a saucepan. Light the stove. Next we add half cup of water. We wait for the water to get heated. To the water we need to add few pepper pods. Next we add 1 stick of cinnamon. Next we add 1 small chopped beetroot. Next we mix all these ingredients. This is to get a little reddish color to our pickle. To the ingredients we add 1 teaspoon of salt. We wait for the ingredients to boil a bit. As the ingredient boils, we then add 1 teaspoon of sugar. We continue to boil all the ingredients together until the beetroot softens. It has been boiling for 5 minutes and the beetroot is now soft. So we'll have to switch off the stove and let the ingredients cool down. As the ingredients are cooling down, we can simultaneously take a bottle, place all the onions that is peeled into the bottle. Now we have placed all the onions into the bottle. Next we need to transfer the cooked and cooled ingredients of beetroot into the bottle. As mentioned before, beetroot gives the color to the pickle. Next we are adding 1 more teaspoon of salt. Next we add half cup of vinegar, which is 100 ml. Next we mix all these ingredients together. We can also add chilies to these ingredients, but it is optional. It gives a little more spicy flavor to our pickle. Now our onion pickle is ready. We can keep it in a dry place and we can store it for a week, and then we can start having it. It's very good with rice as well as with chapatis. Do try out this recipe at home and let us know how it has come out. Well, we hope you liked watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. If you find making this pickle recipe pretty easy, please share it with your friends so they too can try this recipe at home. Also, don't forget to enter your comments in the comment section below. This will really help us to create new videos and explore new recipes. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notification of our videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel too. Well, until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.